So it's a freezing cold day at the Chateau today. See, we've got snow and it's absolutely freezing. So we're all inside working again and getting the last bit sorted for the 400 suite. And I'm going to be turning my attention to the pitch frames. Now they're all sorted, all of the mouldings have all dried, all of the fillers dried on them. I can start looking at tidying them up, so giving them a sand and then moving on to getting the gold on and getting the paint on, which will be exciting. So while I'm doing this, Ash is going to be looking at the radiators. We need to get all of the original radiators back in there, get those all fitted. So once we do get the burner on eventually in time, then we've got the radiators in place and all sorted. So we're going to be spraying those in the same colour that we're using throughout all of the ironwork and stuff like that. So on the window clasps, on door handles, on locks, is the hammerite, I think it's called hammered copper, but looks sort of different in different lights. So some arms it'll look gold, some arms it'll have a copper colour to it. So it's nice because it changes in the light. So Ash is going to be going over with them, and like I said, I'm going to be cracking on with the pitch frames, and Mum's just finishing off some of the last bits in the 400 suite. So we will get to it now.
So, you keep saying we need to get Tracy a spa day. Well, guess what? We've gone and done it. Well, not quite a spa day, not quite what you're thinking. We've had to team up with Forio because we can't allow Tracy to go out for a day. She's got so much work to do here. So with Foreo and the new UFO3, she can have a full spa facial treatment in under 2 minutes. What makes it special and why we chose the Foreo UFO3? Well, reason being is it's got so many amazing little features. So this, with the use of the face masks with it, it will increase moisture in 2 minutes in the skin by up to 126%. Now, what that means is it'll visibly reduce wrinkles within a week of using it. Now, Tracy's going to love using it, but it's also got a thermal massage technology within it as well, so it can cool down or heat up depending on the actual masks that you're going to use with it as well. So we've got the night one here, and she can use it 2 minutes before she goes to bed on a night. She pops the mask into the device itself and just does a 2 minute walkthrough with the app. It does genuinely provide immediate and long-lasting hydration to the skin, so it helps with the technology that it has in it. It helps to actually keep the moisture in the face and actually remove the wrinkles on a long-term basis. It's 10 times faster than doing it with your normal masks that you get because of the vibration, because of the LED light and the way that it actually massages the oils into the skin from the masks. And the ingredients are specialised in each set of masks. So there's a night one, there's a daytime one, there's different ones for different things. So check out the link because they've got some amazing offers online and you'll be able to see the full range of products that Foreo have. We've been really impressed with them, which is why we're bringing them to you now. Enjoy!
So cracking on with the picture frames. Obviously they're looking brilliant now they've been sanded and all back into shape and all in one piece again really. So the next stage is going to be trying to match the same paint colour up. So all I'm going to do is just use some acrylic paints, and I'm going to, looking at it, like it's not properly gold, it's got more of like a bronze tinge to it. So I'm going to mix some of the brown colours that I've got, and I've got some sort of bronzy coloured paint there that I was using for the light bulbs. So I'm going to mix that in just so it gives it a bit of a bronze undertone and try that. Hopefully it'll match, and then once that's done we'll be able to start looking at getting some gold on them. So we just want to highlight all of the trim in gold just so it makes it a bit nicer, so it ties in with our decor that we've got for the 400 suite. And Ash is busy with the radiators, so he's getting the gold on them, and once they're all finished they're going to look fantastic as well. So I think he's got a couple more coats to go with them and then they're done. But a few of you were asking about if we knew anything about these pictures. We don't know anything really from them. There was a name on this one, and I think on one of the other ones, which says Bouquet, I think it is. Now, one of our followers had done a little bit of research on them, and it came back that the name Bouquet was from the Aunt apartment, which we're in, but it was from around 1780 or so, I think it was. Which, see, these look like photos, but they look like paintings as well when you look at them. And people have been saying obviously that's what the French used to do, so it was a picture which was taken, but then on certain parts had paint over it. So they are old. We're not entirely sure on the exact date, but we like them, and hopefully in time we'll be able to find a little bit more information about them. So yeah, we'll get them all out, get them cleaned, get them all painted up, and hopefully by the end of the episode they'll be all finished. So I'll crack on now. And there we have it. 4 picture frames fully restored, and I can't believe just how well they've turned out, to be honest. I've surprised myself just with how amazing they actually look. Like, you can't see any of the old damage there. You can't see how obviously bad they were. They just look amazing. So yeah, obviously it wasn't too bad of a process. Obviously using the silicone and then using the resin to recreate the new pieces, and then just blending the paint in, really. When I took the pictures out, I didn't really find any further information regarding the pictures. So there's no names or nothing like that. So we'll keep on doing a bit of research on them, see if we can get anything from them and go from there, really. But there's another one, obviously, that I've done here. So I'm just on with that one. I've added the gold on it, and we're just looking at putting a different picture in it. But we're needing a couple more of these frames, at least one more anyway, if we can, just so it matches. So I know we have quite a lot of people that have brocants and antique shops and all that. So if any of you have any picture frames like this Louis XV one, please let us know, because I need one more at least to match this, but I do need a set of 2 other ones that are identical, really. So we're needing like 4 picture frames in total for the bedroom, and a nice Louis XVI mirror as well, probably in gold. So if anyone has any out there, please let us know, or if you know where there is any, please let us know, and we can go on a little shopping trip again. So yeah, I'm just over the moon with them. So the next stage now is going to be to get them in the 400 suite, so we can get those up, get them in place, and start getting everything else in. So as you would have seen, obviously I'm shoved in the corner in the 400 salon now. Reason being is Mum's been busy with getting all of the rugs ready for the 400 suite. Now these we haven't shown anyone really which ones we've got, so what colours we're going with, what style, but one of them for the bedroom in particular is absolutely stunning. So it's getting exciting. So check out our next video, because we're starting putting the furniture in, putting carpets up, and going from there, really. So we'll see you soon. Bye. If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.